Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Underseat foam pad for the Herman Miller Aeron Classic chair. This is just the foam pad that sits directly underneath the front edge of the seat on the Aeron Classic. Fails pretty frequently. We tooled up a replacement. We want to show it to you today. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so what is this Underseat foam pad and why would you need to replace it? And first things first, I'm just gonna refer to this as the banana pad. That's what we call it here. As you can see, it's kind of shaped like a banana. It doesn't taste like one, but it's still a good product. So, but this is a foam seat pad that sits on the front edge of the Aeron Classic chair to kind of alleviate some pressure and kind of takes away a little bit of that hard rim on that front edge, which is where we see a lot of complaints on the Aeron chair. So Herman Miller created this to put underneath that to alleviate some of that pressure. As you can see, why would you need to replace it? Here's one that we took off of an Aeron that we're remanufacturing. It's seen better days. You can see it's falling apart. It's a piece of foam that, wow, it really made a mess. But you can see it's fallen apart. It has done what it was intended to do in taking that pressure off, but during that time, it has broken down, it has failed. And so we replace this on every Aeron that we remanufacture for that reason. And as you can see, due to how it's constructed as just a raw piece of foam, it is subject to falling apart and disintegrating and having some issues. And that's one of the reasons that we decided to tool ours up in this new material. So this is made out of the same material that our arm pads are made out of, which is a pure poured polyurethane part. And so we actually paid the money to tool this part up. It's going to be identically in shape, made identically in shape, but it is going to be a lot more robust. You can see it's still got a lot of pressure, or a lot of cushion, a lot of softness. We made this as soft as we could within this tool, so it's got a lot of good cushion here, but it's not going to be subject to the failure that we see on the raw foam part. And again, so we replace this on every remanufactured chair, but if you've got one of these that's failing on your chairs, falling apart, you'll see it kind of coming out. We do offer these as a replacement part that you can purchase right on our website as well. We'll have a link in the description below for you for that. I did want to make a quick side note that this part was designed, created, tooled, and is made right here in Michigan. So I wanted to make sure that people knew that. We have been making a large effort into trying to bring everything that we can back to the US and into Michigan specifically, and this part falls right into that category, so I wanted to mention it. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on the banana pad for the Herman Miller Aeron Classic chair. If you found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, we'll have a link in the description below, so it'll take you over to the website so you can purchase one of these. And as always, if you have any questions at all about this product or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us at our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page, or anywhere else you can reach us. We're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at our underseat foam pad. Underseat foam. That was it. Underseat foam pad. Underseat foam. It just sounds weird. The under foam seat pad. Underseat foam. Golly. I was not prepared at all. I was there. Aeron under foam underseat. All right, so what exactly is this under foam underseat? Golly. Can I just say banana pad? I'm just gonna say banana pad. First, I'm just gonna call this the banana pad. That's what we call it here. It makes it a lot easier to describe. It's shaped like a banana. It doesn't taste like one, but still a good product. Is that?
I like it.